Welcome to my virtual open house. I'm Miss Gentles, in case you didn't know. Alright, where should we start? We'll start with cubbies. So over here on this wall, we have all the students' cubbies, all their boxes, all of their things are stored in there. You can see headphones, math bins. They have different little letter tiles, things like that we use throughout the day. You can see all their desks in the middle of the room. Over here, I've got them spaced out the best that I can. Over here, we're not using our library yet, our in-class library, but this is it. Once we do start using it, this is our in-class library. Let's see, this is my guided reading table. It's a bit of a mess right now, but this is where we'll be doing guided reading in a couple of weeks probably. Over here, I have what we're doing for the day, or what we're learning. These are our standards, kind of. So all the different things that we're covering this week can be found here on the wall, and the kids know they can look at it too. So it has like our sight words and what we're doing in math, things like that. I have my class schedule on the wall right there. It keeps me on track. Over here is where I usually have my computer. This is my little corner, my desk, if you will. I don't have a teacher desk. I don't like a teacher desk, but that's where I keep my computer, and that's our smart board. These are all my big books. Sometimes we read really big books so the kids can see all the words. Up here on the wall, I've got where we're going to start putting our anchor charts once we start making them, because as y'all know, today was our second day in school. My class anyways, we started a little later since we're the virtual kids. So we don't have a whole lot of anchor charts yet, but that's where they will go. We got some different stuff over here. I'm not sure if your student told you, but we looked at different pumpkins the other day. So these are all our different pumpkins. They're really funny shapes. These are all my different things that the kids can look at on the windowsill. I think that's about it. Alright guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!